Ethiopia, the country where the majority of the population does not have a bank account. How do they survive? Ethiopia is one of the most populous countries in Africa and, at the same time, one of the least banked in the world. The majority of the population does not have a bank account, and the use of credit or debit cards is practically non-existent in many regions. This is due to several factors, such as the low penetration of financial institutions, the lack of technological infrastructure, the predominance of the informal economy, and even cultural and religious aspects that influence people's relationship with money. Despite this reality, Ethiopians have developed alternative ways of managing their finances and ensuring their subsistence without relying on the traditional banking system. One of the main characteristics of the Ethiopian economy is the predominance of cash. Most commercial transactions are made with direct payment in physical money, from purchases in local markets to the payment of salaries. This practice is rooted both in culture and in necessity, since many cities in the interior do not even have bank branches nearby and trust in the banking system is still limited. Many people prefer to keep cash at home, as access to modern financial services is still not a reality for most. In addition to the predominant use of cash, Ethiopians rely on community savings and credit systems to manage their finances. One of the best known is Equb, a type of revolving fund where participants contribute a fixed amount regularly, and in each cycle, one of the members receives the total accumulated amount. This method allows small traders and self-employed workers to obtain resources without relying on banks. Another common practice is IDIR, a community association that functions as an informal insurance, helping members in times of need, such as funerals, illnesses, or other emergencies. These initiatives strengthen social solidarity and ensure that people have financial support even without access to banking services. Informal trade also plays a key role in the Ethiopian economy. Much of the population survives through small businesses, street vending, and agricultural activities without the need for bank accounts or formal credit. In rural areas, it is common for goods to be exchanged without money, with families trading produce, livestock, and other goods directly. This barter system still persists as an efficient way to meet needs in areas where money can be scarce. Despite low bank penetration, technology has begun to transform the way Ethiopians handle money. In recent years, mobile financial services have grown significantly, offering a practical alternative for those without a bank account. Telebirr, for example, is a mobile payment service launched by Ethio Telecom that allows money transfers, bill payments, and even purchases via mobile phones. Since a large portion of the population has mobile phones, this solution has helped to increase financial inclusion in the country, even without the need for a traditional bank account. Culture and religion also influence the way Ethiopians handle their finances. In many communities, trust in the banking system is low, and there is a strong sense of self-sufficiency and community support. Some religious traditions discourage excessive debt, encouraging careful management of resources and reliance on social support networks. This factor contributes to many people opting for traditional financial methods, such as saving money at home or relying on family and friends for help in times of need. Even without access to the formal banking system, the Ethiopian population has managed to develop creative and resilient ways to manage their finances and ensure their survival. The use of cash, participation in community savings networks, the strengthening of informal trade, and the advancement of mobile financial services are some of the mechanisms that keep the economy going. Although the country still faces significant challenges in terms of financial inclusion, the combination of traditional and innovative solutions shows that society can find effective ways to address its economic needs without relying exclusively on banks. In the future, with the advancement of technology and the expansion of digital financial services, the trend is that more people will have access to new tools that will make their financial lives even easier.